Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Shiba Inu is more popular than XRP and Cardano in Australia. Bank of Russia to ban mutual funds from investing in Bitcoin. An NFT worth $300k was unintentionally sold for just over $3k, with around 4,500% rise as of December 14th, 2021. BEMIL coin tops the list of meme coins. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, Shiba Inu is more popular among Australians than XRP and Cardano, according to a recent poll published by Saxo Markets. Isn't it interesting how a meme inspired coin is growing so much? Anyways, let's have a better look into it. The meme currency is known by 5% of Australians, whereas the other two cryptocurrencies are known by 3% and 2% of the population, respectively. Bitcoin, surprisingly, is at the top of the list with 38% of poll respondents identifying the crypto monarch. Shiba Inu is followed by Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Dogecoin in the top 5. Only 11% of Australians claim they completely comprehend cryptocurrencies. However, a whopping 42% of those polled say they would use cryptocurrencies if they were legal tender in the country. The majority of them would utilize cryptocurrency to save money or make purchases. Cryptocurrency should be recognized as an official currency in Australia, according to 25% of Australians. Only a sliver of a percent of Australians are aware of what avalanche is. Millennials, in particular, are significantly more familiar with Shiba Inus than baby boomers. That's hell lot of a data here. Anyways, the canine currency made headlines earlier this year due to which incredible price performance which outperformed all other cryptocurrencies. Of course, the meme coin craze isn't restricted to Australia. According to a Harris poll conducted in May, Dogecoin is more popular among American investors than Ethereum. So moving forward with our next segment for today, in Russia, mutual funds will not be permitted to offer to exposure to qualified or unqualified investors. The Russian central bank has maintained its tight stance on the cryptocurrency business, with mutual funds now explicitly prohibited from investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Well, is it good or bad for us crypto lovers? Yes or no, maybe, whatever it is. I think it's a step to protect citizens. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked with some facts. The Bank of Russia issued an official statement on Monday about the regulation of mutual investment fund investment possibilities. Despite the fact that the document expands the amount of assets allowed for mutual funds to participate in, it prevents fund managers from purchasing cryptocurrencies and financial instruments whose value is based on the values of digital assets. Mutual funds are not permitted to give crypto exposure to qualified or unqualified investors, according to the statement. According to reports, Russia now has only one industry-related exchange-traded fund, according to Artem Dev, head of the analytics department at trading house A Markets. According to Dev, the fund is administered by Broker Credit Service, a joint stock management organization that invests in companies focusing on decentralized data storage and blockchain, such as DAG, Dorsey's Block, PayPal, and Broadcom. According to Sber's asset management chief Vasily Ileniurov, Russia's largest bank is aiming to introduce a blockchain-focused ETF. The ETF will be dubbed Blockchain Economy and will invest in blockchain-related equities. The fund, according to Ileniurov, is not subject to Bank of Russia limitations and may be marketed to ordinary investors. Moving ahead with our next coverage, it will be quite interesting one. I mean, you'll be very sad if you keep yourself at this position. I mean, you'd rather be shocked. So, unintentionally, $300,000 NFT was sold for little over $3,270, less than 1/100th of its market value. The vendor, Max Knott, told CNET that he wanted to sell Bored Ape number 3547 for 75 Ethereum. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. The Bored Ape Yacht Club produces some of the most costly and well-known NFTs on the market. However, according to CNET, one of them was sold for $3,015 despite the fact that it was worth $300,000. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is part of a limited edition of 10,000 digital art pieces, each with slight variations. When you consider how expensive Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs have become, Max's fat finger blunder is really terrible. Max was alleged to have purchased the NFT on May 30 for 1 ETH, instead of listing the NFT's price as 75 ETH, which is about $300,000 today, he priced it as 0.75 ETH. An examination of OpenSea verified the transaction, which took place on Saturday. The holder, Max, stated in an interview with CNET that the loss was caused by a concentration gap. He claims to list a number of things on a daily basis, but for some reason this one eluded him. It was a concentration error. He went on to say, "Every day I make a long list of things and I wasn't paying attention. As soon as my finger hit the mouse, I noticed the issue, but a bot had submitted a transaction with almost 8 ETH in gas costs, so it snipped before I could cancel and $1,000 was gone. It was immediately acquired. The buyer paid an extra $34,000 to speed up the process and assure that no one else would be able to acquire it before them. The Bored Ape immediately sold for $248,000 on eBay. The transaction appears to have been carried out by a bot, which may be trained to buy NFTs at a discount on behalf of its owners in profit to these conditions." That's sad, very sad. Anyways, wrapping up with our last segment for today morning, and of course it is the most popular meme coin of the day with 4,500% surge. I mean, wow, let's have a look at what's getting cooked. The current BEMIL coin price is $0.16231 USD with $291,501 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our BEM to USD pricing is updated according to 6 a.m. IST. In the last 24 hours, BEMIL coin has gained 4,379% of its value, with a live market cap of $11,549,970 USD. The current coin market cap ranking is 1035. There are 71 million BEM coins in circulation with a total quantity of 10,000 million BEM coins. If you're looking for a place to buy BEMIL coin, the best cryptocurrency exchanges to use right now are PancakeSwap, AscentX, and Dodo BSC. BEMIL is a fun game with a galactic theme and a play-to-earn feature in which users may participate in fights, clans, mini-games, and other activities. The game, which was developed by BEMIL International 2, has seen incredible from its first release at the end of July 2021 with over 15,000 active users by August 31st and a healthy growth rate of 5.7% per day. So we will now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.